Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ghost blogging platform from VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Ghost blogging platform from your VPS, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use a terminal application and type in the command to connect to your VPS. You will need your server's IP address and login credentials. Once you are connected, navigate to the directory where Ghost is installed. Typically, this directory is named Ghost. Use the command cd ghost to enter the folder. Next, stop the Ghost service using the command ghost stop. This will ensure that Ghost is not running during the uninstallation process. Now, you need to remove the Ghost files. Use the command rmrf* to delete all files in the Ghost directory. Be careful with this command as it will permanently remove all files. After deleting the files, return to the parent directory. You can do this by typing cd. Now, to remove the Ghost directory itself, use the command rmrf ghost. This will delete the Ghost folder from your server. The next step is to remove any remaining dependencies that were installed. If you installed Ghost using node.js, navigate to the Node Modules folder. Use the command npm uninstall ghost to remove the package. Finally, confirm that all Ghost-related files and dependencies have been deleted. You can check by listing the contents of the parent directory with ls. If you see no traces of the Ghost platform, you have successfully uninstalled it. That's the complete process for uninstalling Ghost from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.